everyone, I am Queen Livsy Barboza, the first reporter of the Region 1, which is the Ilocos region, a journey through culture, heritage, and natural beauty. San Fernando City is the regional center. The region is known for its rich culture, historical sites like the Spanish colonial city of Vigan, and crafts such as blankets, weaving, and pottery. These are some highlights of 4 provinces. First is the Ilocos Norte, second is the Ilocos Sur, third is the La Union, and lastly is the Pangasinan. Those pictures will be tackled later on by Mr. Bangahon. Now let's move on to the cuisines and delicacies of Region 1. When we say cuisines and delicacies, it means that it is a signature dish from a particular place. First is the pinakbet. Pinakbet is a vegetable dish made with bitter melon, eggplant, okra, string beans, and tomatoes, seasoned with shrimp paste, bagoong. Just look at the picture. Next is the bagnet. Bagnet is a deep-fried pork belly known for its crispy skin and thin meat, often served with tomato, onion, sarsa, and bagoong. Next is the vegan longanisa, a garlic-flavored sausage originating from Vigan City, Ilocos Sur. It is smaller and plumper than other longanisa. So when we say longanisa, it is from vegan. Next is the pancit miki, a noodle dish made with thick egg noodles, meat, and vegetables. Next is sinanglao. Sinanglao is a sour soup made with grilled pork and innards, flavored with bile, giving it a unique bitter taste. Just look at the picture. Next is the bagwisin. Pork innards. It is a pork innards and blood cooked in vinegar, or like the dinuguan. Lastly is the binagoongang baboy. It is a pork cooked in salted fermented shrimp paste.
So, hi everyone. I'm Yuli James Bangahon, the reporter of Region 1, and this is the tourist spot of Ilocos Norte of tourist attraction. So, first tourist attraction is Pagudpud Beach. Pagudpud Beach, located at Ilocos Norte. Pagudpud Beach refers to the pristine and Pagudpud Ilocos Norte. Most famously South Beach, known for its white sand and clear crystal water, and makita siya sa Ilocos Norte. So ang pangkaduha nga tourist attraction sa Ilocos Norte is La Paz Sand Dunes area. Pakita rin ako sa screen niya. Located gyapon siya sa Ilocos Norte. 85 square kilometer protected coastal desert in Lawag, Ilocos Norte. Pwede mo dire magkuan activities ninyo kanang 4x4 rides o uban pa nga mga activities. So ang ikatulo nga tourist attraction sa Ilocos Norte is ang Puay Church. San Agustin Church, completed in 1710. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its designic architecture. Puay Church is officially the San Agustin Church in Roman Catholic Ilocos Norte ang kuan niya. Location gihapon. Gi-preserve ni siya kay dugayan nga simbahan. So ang sunod nga tourist attraction is the Bangwi Windmills, a row of 20 giant 70 meters tall windmills turbine located along at coastal of Bangwi Bay in Ilocos Norte, Philippines. Kini siya nahimo gyapon tourist attraction tungod sa nindot nga talan-aw nun. So ang sunod nga tourist attraction sa Ilocos Norte gihapon ni siya makita ang Patapat Viaduct or Patapat Bridge. Because the bridge crosses Pasaling Bay, motorists can enjoy beautiful view of the bay and scenic mountain view on the other side. Mo nang nahimo siyang tourist attraction dra sa Ilocos Norte. So ang sunod nga tourist attraction sa Ilocos Norte gihapon ni siya ang the Purawan Rock Formation is the geological wonder in Burgos, Ilocos Norte. Ang location, Ilocos Norte, Philippines, famous for its smooth, creamy white limestone rock that are naturally sculpted by winds and the sea. So ang isunod nako is ang Pangasinan. So ang Pangasinan napod sa mga tourist attraction sama sa St. James the Great Parish Church, 100 Islands nga sa Pangasinan yapon makita og Bolinao Falls. Mo na siya ang tourist attraction sa Pangasinan. So ang sunod is La Union. So ang mga tourist attraction sa La Union or tourist spot is Balay Anito Falls o Namakpakan Church, Bulalakaw Falls o Tudingan Falls. Mao na ang mga tourist attraction sa La Union. So ang next is Ilocosur. So ang kuan sa Ilocosur is ang Vegan Heritage. Sikat niya nga tourist spot kay Vegan Heritage. Nag-preserve nila ang mga Spanish nga mga infrastructure sa una. So muna nisikat na siya og ang kuan ikaduha is ang Bantayan Church, especially St. Augustine Parish Church in Bantay, Ilocos Norte is a historic and resilient structure built in 1590, known for its neo-Gothic and Romanesque architectural style. Its featured thick brick walls and famous accrescent bell tower that originally served as the watchtower. So mo na siya ang Bantay Church. So diri na punta sa mga festival no sa Region 1. So ang unang festival is Empanada Festival. Location Batak City, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. The main Empanada Festival held in Batak, Ilocos Norte and has become an annual event to promote the local delicacy and tourism. The festival is part of the city founding anniversary celebration, which typically take place in December and includes train pageantry, dance, showdown, and other cultural activities. So muna ang primero Empanada Festival. So ang ikaduha nga festival is Pamulinawin Festival, held in Lawag City every February, celebrating St. William the Hermit with the street dance and parades. So makita po na siya dito sa Ilocos. So ang pangkatulong nga festival is Bangos Festival, an annual celebration in Dagupan, Pangasinan, highlighting the city milkfish agriculture industry. Sa Pangasinan na siya nga festival. So ang ika-upat is Sinait Garlic or Bawang Festival, showcase the talent and hard work of Ilocanos in Sinait, Ilocosur, known as the Garlic Center of the North. So muna siya. So ang sunod nga festival is Goling-Goling Festival, celebrated in Puay, Ilocos Norte, aims to commemorate the 16th century practices of Spanish peers interacting with parishioners. So makita na siya sa Ilocos Norte, Puay. So ang last festival is Pinakbet Festival. Features street dance and cooking competition honoring the farmers industry and housewives cooking skills in Santa Maria, Ilocos Norte. So mo lang na ang akong part. Thank you.